Hello, y'all. What time is it?
Everybody.
It is 3:34 p.m. in the p.m. time. You know, Eastern. Is it East?
Eastern.
Whatever. Whatever.
We don't got that much time, but we just wanted to make a shout out for our
Jbelll girl. Her birthday is today.
And she's our best friend. Also a slave that we be knowing named Daquan.
No. His name is Day Foster Child. Day Foster Child. All right, and we gonna do her birthday bash. It's gonna be like bam. So exciting. So, but it's gonna be a surprise.
It's
so
gonna
don't
be on
tell
YouTube.
y'all.
She's gonna be like,
Don't tell y'all.
Except nobody
But
actually
you know we gotta have birds there. Y'all know you do some birds.